the kinetic energy of an object of mass m moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second is 25 joules. What will be its kinetic energy when its velocity is doubled, when its velocity is tripled? So we are looking at the following things. 3 different cases. We have case 1, right? We have the velocity to be 5 meter per second. Okay, let me write it as a velocity itself, VELO or VEL. That sounds okay, no? Velocity, and we have the kinetic energy for the case 1, 25 joule. Right, guys? So the question is, when we double the velocity, triple the velocity, what is happening? So it's better for us to handle the situation in different cases. So case 2. What is given? We have the velocity double of initial velocity. So we need to show that. So this is equal to 10 meter per second. This is enough. You don't need to write 5 and all that. No, it's for kids. You guys are good enough. You're good enough, grown enough. You passed all of that. So we'll directly write it. Velocity 3 in this case is 3 times the initial velocity. That would be 15 meter per second. So it's important for us to show in this structured manner. Okay. And now the working. So what is that we are going to make use of? We're going to make use of the formula half mv square. And that is equal to our kinetic energy. Okay. So how is that we're going to figure out the kinetic energy? Here there's nothing given. They just told, okay, for this particular velocity, this is your kinetic energy. But how will we make use of this? And what's the point of this? Let's move on to the next one. This I didn't understand, like why is it given, right? We don't understand why is it given. So let's move on. Let's look at the next one. We have the velocity, good. Oh, but yeah, we need the mass. Is it not? How do we figure out the mass? Well, we'll go back to the first case. As per case 1, we have 25 is equal to half of mass into 5 square. So 5 square is what? 25, and this can get cancelled. So I'll transpose 2 and I'll get 2 kg. That's it. Right? That's how I'll figure it out. And that's why we did figure it out. Now case 2. Case 2 is what? Kinetic energy 2, half of 2 kg into the velocity is 10 square, which is nothing but 100. 2 gets cancelled and we have 100 joules. Units are very important. And the last case, case 3. See how structured it looks? That's how you guys have to write. Kinetic energy 3 is equal to half of 2 into 15 square. So 2 gets cancelled and 15 square is 225. 15 square, 35 square, all of that is part of your tricks, which I've shown in basics. So you can have a look at that. Right, guys. So this is how you figure out. Main thing again over here is a structured way to approach a question. We have different cases. So write the cases as case 1, case 2, case 3. Don't complicate it. Keep it structured. Okay. First case, there are a lot of things given. With that we'll find out the things that we need for the set of questions. A structured thinking. When you look at this, yes, you know the answer. Right, guys? So don't just learn a question. Learn the method. Learn the tricks. Understand the concept. See, tricks you need to learn. You need to understand the concept. Right? There are few things that you need to by heart and many things that you need to understand. By hearting over here is, memorizing over here is how you'll structure a case-based answer. You'll learn, okay, this is how I'll approach. This will be my thinking. And when it comes to concepts, you need to understand it. And yes, in time, some of the things has to be memorized, but only after understanding.